Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file amended returns using the P9 form. The P9 form is a crucial document provided by your employer, detailing your annual income and tax deductions. If you find any errors or omissions after submitting your tax return, amending it is essential. This guide will help you navigate the process to ensure your tax records are accurate and compliant with the Kenya Revenue Authority, avoiding potential penalties. Let's get started on making those necessary corrections. You should amend your tax return if you discover any inaccuracies in your reported income, deductions, or tax credits. Common reasons include overlooked income, incorrect allowances, or missed relief claims. Correcting these errors promptly is vital to maintain compliance and avoid potential penalties, which can be up to 2,000 shillings for late filing. Generally, you have a window of opportunity to make these adjustments after your initial submission, ensuring your financial information is always precise. To prepare your amended return, first gather your original P9 form and the tax return you previously filed. Carefully compare these documents to pinpoint any discrepancies in your income, deductions, or reliefs. Once you have identified all the necessary changes, log in to the Kenya Revenue Authority's iTax portal. This online platform is where you will initiate the amendment process, ensuring all your updated financial details are correctly captured for submission. After logging into the iTax portal, locate the section for filing an amended return. You will then input the corrected figures, ensuring they align precisely with your updated P9 form details and any other relevant documentation. Double-check all entries for accuracy before proceeding. Once satisfied, submit your amended return electronically. Remember to download and save the acknowledgement receipt, as this serves as proof of your submission and is crucial for your personal records.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.